Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my skincare collection. If you are interested, I've got quite a lot of skincare. I'm just going to show you guys how I actually store it and how much I actually have. So if you are interested, then I'm just going to get straight into it. So guys, this is how I actually organize some of my things. I keep it in this sort of organizer sort of tray thing that I got from Hobbycraft actually. I think it's supposed to be for stationery, but I just thought it would be really great for me to actually keep my skincare in this. So I won't bore you with what's on all of the shelves. The bottom shelf is basically just the stuff that I don't really use on a regular basis, just some spare cotton towels for my face. The middle shelf is my hairdryer and a couple of things that I just keep wrapped up just to avoid it getting dusty. And this little tray here is just a couple of things such as some spare hair bobbles. This is my nail kit, my hairbrush, my tangle tweezers, some headbands and some clips. And now onto the skincare section. So this is where I keep all of the things that I use on a daily basis. There's quite a few options there. I don't obviously use everything every single day, but I keep the stuff that I use the most often so I can rotate between certain things. So here is my trusted CeraVe favorite moisturizing lotion ever. Absolutely love this. I keep a little spatula on top of that as well because I really hate putting my fingers into tub moisturizers. So I keep that on top, and obviously another favorite, my CeraVe moisturizing lotion. So those are always there. Next, I've got this Hada Labo Perfect Gel, and I sometimes use that in the day if I feel like I don't really want a thick moisturizer. I've just started to use this one, which is another Hada Labo moisturizer, and it's the Lift Gel. I've only just started to use it. It's quite a weird sort of consistency and is a little bit greasy, but I will let you guys know how I find that. It seems quite nice so far. Here I just keep my hair oil, my favorite, absolute favorite hair oil, Fiver from Boots, can't go wrong. Argan oil from Hask. This is just a facial mist from Illuviderm. It says anti-aging. It's literally just hyaluronic acid, which can sort of help with fine lines and wrinkles, just as it helps with plumping the skin. So this is just something that I use whilst layering skincare. I really find that putting your hyaluronic acid serums and moisturizers onto a damp face really helps with the hydration level of the skin. So I love that. This is another hyaluronic acid sort of lotion, one of my favorites as well, Hada Labo Premium Lotion. Always use this before applying any moisturizers. Here I've just got another Hada Labo product, love it, as you can tell, and it's their cleansing oil. This is quite nice. It smells a bit like oil that you might use in cooking, and that's probably because it doesn't have any fragrance, which I'm not going to complain about because obviously that's what we want when we're looking for skincare, but it does a really great job at taking the makeup off, which I really love. Here I just sort of keep my nail things, just got some usual bits and bobs, nail cutters, nail files, all of that stuff. My facial razor, keep that there as well. Got some makeup wipes. I use these mostly to keep my skincare clean. I give it all a wipe. I feel like it's really important to keep those things clean as well. And then we've just got a face mask by Lululemon, and that's from Japan. These are really great. I don't think they're a necessity personally. I think they can be a bit of a waste as well actually, but I bought them, so I'm definitely going to use them. They can be quite cooling, which is really great. This is all of my little bits and bobs that if I keep upright in the tray, they just sort of fall over and make a mess. So I just keep all the little bits and bobs in here. We've got this moisture cream by Milano, one of my absolute favorite things. Got this, which is my Avansika felt, another absolute favorite of mine. You may have seen this a lot on my Instagram page actually. It's the vitamin C, I think it's an essence. I'm not really feeling this actually. It's got fragrance in it. Got the CeraVe eye cream, Carmex, can't go wrong, and Protini by Drunk Elephant. This is just beautiful. Again, another thing getting rationed because it's so expensive, but I really do love that. It's great. This is actually storage for a fridge, funnily enough. You wouldn't really think so, but I was looking on Amazon and I was looking for some kind of acrylic storage containers for this purpose, and you can get 4 of them for I think £13 or so, which is so much more cheaper than the makeup stuff. So that's another tip for you there. I'll try and link those in the description bar for you. I sort of mix and match these serums here, and I've obviously got my lovely facial roller, which I got from Primark. Here I got the squalane from The Ordinary, which I really love, really moisturising. The marine hyaluronics, which I love as well. We've got the lactic acid, absolute favourite. You might have seen my last video on that. If you haven't, go check it out. This is a newbie, the salicylic acid from Boots. This is just a new lactic acid that I got. This is the UV face mist, which I use if I'm wearing makeup. I just spray it on top. I just find it a really great way of topping up my sun protection. And then I just keep a few cotton pads here, as you can see, just for whenever. And this is actually micellar water. I literally just take a cotton pad, open it up, and then I can just sort of I just feel like this is just so much more of a convenient way to actually use micellar water. And then I've just got a few spare spatulas here. And then of course I've got my cotton buds. I've got these weird black ones that I got from Japan as well. They're individually wrapped. Can you believe that? What a waste of plastic, but they're getting used anyway. So this is where I keep all of the stuff that I don't use on a daily basis. Sometimes I'll take things from here and pop them into my tray if I fancy using them or if I want to try some new things. Obviously, I got quite a lot of skincare, as you can see. Okay, so this is all of my makeup. I'm just going to take that out because you're here for the skincare, right? This is just a little pouch where I sort of keep some of my jewellery and some bits and bobs that are floating about. I won't bore you with that. Obviously just some cotton pads here. They just get refilled as and when. This is my brush collection. I just keep them in this box. Such a lovely box. But yeah, those are the sponges that I got from Primark. And then I've just got all sort of clean brushes in here. I like to keep them separate and I like to keep them clean. These are just my probiotics that I take every single day. Really find that they help with my immunity. As you may have spotted, this is my sunscreen collection. I have quite a lot in here, as you can see. I'm a bit of a collector, I suppose, or slightly obsessed perhaps with sunscreen, but I just love having so many different options. So I've got quite a few different ones in here. Majority mineral actually, because I just love mineral sunscreens. They're my favourite. They work really well with my skin. So I really do like to have a lot of options in here. You may have seen a lot of these on my Instagram. If you haven't already, go check my Instagram out. It's that Sensitive Sister. This is one of my absolute favourites. Love it. I say that about everything, don't I really? But I've got loads of different options on here. If you want a video about my sunscreens, let me know. Happy to do that. And moving on to this section. Where do I even start? So I've got some AHAs here, the glycolic toning solution by The Ordinary. Not bad, not something I use all the time, but I do like to pop that in every now and again. Got this, which is the Rosette Gommage peeling gel. Got this one as well, the Cure one, which I love. Some hair oil, love that. You will have seen many of these things if you follow me on Instagram. Simple, oldie but a goodie. Always have this in my collection. Neutrogena Hydro Boost, same thing. Always in my collection. Just really dependable moisturizer, does a really great job. CeraVe again. This is great. This is really great. This one is actually from America. I don't think you can get this version here in the UK. I may be wrong. Some sponge cleaner. That's from Daiso from Japan. Got a few masks here. This is a detoxifying mud mask, all fragrance free, obviously. This one here, the Pore Balance. This is one of my favorites. So cheap and so great. This one. Now, how can I even explain this? I don't use these. My husband loves them. No matter what I do, I can't actually stop him from using them. He likes them. They work for him. So I just let him use it, but I would never use that. Mostly because they just rip off your hair. They do take some of the dead skin cells off there as well. That's why it looks a lot brighter. And sometimes it does take some of the blackheads out, but most of the time you're kind of creating more of a problem because you're pulling out your hair, which is going to grow back. Natural moisturizing factors by The Ordinary. Not bad. I wouldn't sort of rave about it, but it does its job, which is, I guess, all you can really ask for. A primer that I got from Ordinary. Barely even use that. I don't even know why that's in here. The retinol by The Ordinary, 0.2% in squalane. Not really had a good go of that yet. This is a Grid Active Retinoid. This is really nice actually, very gentle. Marula oil. The packaging is just so nice. It's like you twist it and then it comes out, she says, and you can't open it. Really nice dropper. Real nice. That from Holland & Barrett. My jojoba oil, which no matter how much I try, I just can't get it to stop being a mess. Look at it, complete state, but it's a great oil. I love using that one. Niacinamide. Just can't get used to this. Tried. I think I might try again. Moroccan oil. This is on its deathbed. What have we got down here? Another one from The Ordinary. The L-ascorbic acid powder. Yeah, another one I can't really get to grips with. I just find that, you know, it's really hard trying so many new things. So much to try. It can really have an effect on your skin. This is not the L'Oreal Triple Active Day. This is actually just coconut oil. I don't even know who gave me this container, but I just keep my coconut oil in there. Some nail varnish remover. Boring. Some nail varnish remover pads. These are really useful when you're away. MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This is not bad. I think it helps stopping makeup look really dry. The Urban Decay All Nighter. This is really great. If you're going out on a night out or you're going to be wearing, you know, heavy makeup all day, this one's a great bet. And this is the small version, so you can even try it for I think about a tenner, which is not bad at all. This is another lotion from Hada Labo. I've not even opened this one yet. This is going to be the next one that I try. I think this is a whitening one in the sense that it's got vitamin C in it. So it's supposed to add a bit of brightness to the skin. So you'll probably be seeing this one on my feed soon. And you may be thinking it's over, but it's actually not over yet. So here is the stuff that I haven't even had a chance to open. Not even had a chance to try. You may have seen from my video from when I went to Japan that I went absolutely insane in the mind, bought way too many things that I don't even have enough skin to use all of these products on, but you know, it was all flashy, everything looked so great, and I was like, oh, when am I ever going to be in Japan again? So as you can see, this is a result of, you know, slight lunacy. So I'm not going to go through everything here. This is, as I mentioned, all the stuff that I got from Japan, and I did do a video on that. So if you do want to see what I got, then you can check that out. I'm not going to bore you with that today, but this is the remainder of the stuff essentially. Down here as well, I've just got refills of things that I use a lot, like this, my micellar water. I love this one. Face wash. A tea tree face wash, some nail varnish remover, some of the spatulas, some moisturizer, just things like that, bits and bobs, some foundation, and all that kind of boring stuff. But that's about it. So guys, that is it from me. I hope you enjoyed that video. It's a bit of a different one, but I know that I personally love having a snooper on other people's skincare collections. So I thought, you know, why not share that with you guys? If there's anything that you want to know more about, then please let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.